Also breaking tonight, parents in Volusia County now get to decide whether to quarantine their child from school if that child is exposed to COVID-19.
Yeah, the district just made that announcement after the governor's new emergency rule that gives power to the parents across our state. Fox 35's Holly Bristow joins us live with more on what this means for you. Holly.
Hi, Luann. Well, according to the governor, starting immediately if you have a child who's been exposed to somebody else with COVID-19 and your child is not showing any symptoms of being sick with COVID-19, it is now going to be up to you, the parent, to decide whether or not to keep your child home or whether to send them to school. Now, the governor explained this is how they've been doing things in the state of Iowa. He says that this is also how the European Center for Disease Control is advising against healthy quarantining as well. According to the governor, Oxford University did a study that showed 98% of quarantine students never tested positive for COVID, and that this move just makes sense. The Osceola County School Superintendent, Dr. Deborah Pace, agrees with the governor.
When I looked at our data on day 15, 19% of our students either were quarantined or had been. So that's 1 in 5. That is devastating for families who have to go to work, have to make alternative arrangements for their kids, and yet we are still continuing to see a decline in cases in that 5 to 17-year-old age groups.
The governor says there has been excessive absenteeism here in the state of Florida. He also said that kids are unnecessarily missing extracurricular activities that could potentially set them up for things like scholarships, and he says this needs to stop. For now, reporting live in Osceola County, Holly Bristow, Fox 35 News.